Easy with the nut. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland will show you how to make Thai hot pot right in your kitchen in just under half an hour. Among the diverse and rich hot pot culture of Asia, Thai hot pot, with its signature sour and spicy flavor, is among the most popular. This is the perfect refreshing dish to enjoy on a warm summer night with your date. So let's go to the kitchen and make hot pot for two. We'll make a chicken version of the Thai hot pot. But if for some reason that is really incomprehensible for us mortals, you prefer a vegetarian diet, you can simply substitute chicken with tofu and tofu skin as you like. We have here one whole chicken. We're making hot pot for two, so we just use the thighs and wings. But don't worry, we won't let the chicken breast go to waste. Check out our last video, link in the description, to make a delicious and juicy generous toe chicken out of the breast. If you're using tofu for a vegan version, then simply cut your tofu into bite-sized cubes and set them aside. Next, let's prepare the veggies for the broth. Slice and crush 10 grams of galangal. Galangal is a cousin of the ginger, so if you can't find it in your local Asian store, you can use ginger instead. You also quarter the end part of 2 lemongrass and crush them to release the fragrance oil. Next, take a quarter of a fenchel and slice it up, followed by cutting 1 tomato into 8 big chunks. For some freshness, chop up a quarter of a pineapple finely. Lastly, mince well 2 cloves of garlic, half a small red onion, and 3 large Thai chilies. Now all your veggies prep is done. We'll continue with making our sauce. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, a quarter teaspoon of MSG, and finally 1 teaspoon of broth mix or chicken bouillon. For a vegetarian version, you can substitute the fish sauce with soy sauce and use vegetable bouillon instead of chicken bouillon. Mix everything well together and set aside. Now we're going to make our broth. Saute the minced garlic, onion, lemongrass, and galangal for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Add your chicken wings and thighs, also some chicken bone to increase the umami of the broth. Quickly stir fry it for about 5 minutes. If you're doing the vegan version, you can skip the chicken step. Next, add the sauce, fenchel, chilies, and pineapple and stir fry for 1 minute. Then pour 1 liter of water and give your broth a half tablespoon or 12 grams of rock sugar. Bring everything back up to a boil before putting the tomato in. Cover your pot and let it continue cooking for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you can blanch your vermicelli or egg noodles with hot water according to the instructions on the package. Once the noodles of your choice are properly softened, drain them and set them aside. After about 15 minutes, let's return to our broth. Check to see if your chicken is cooked through. If the chicken is cooked and the tomato is softened completely, remove the lemongrass, galangal, tomato, pineapple, and chicken bones from your broth. Add 2 tablespoons of lime or lemon juice into your broth. You can add more if you prefer it on the sour side. Don't add the lime juice too early or it will make the broth bitter. This is also now the right time to adjust the seasoning to your liking as well. Add your bok choy and mushrooms. If you're making the vegan version, it's now time to add your tofu too. Cook everything for another 5 minutes or so. The veggie stuff don't need much time. Now your hot pot is ready to be served. In a bowl, place some noodles in the middle. Take some chicken pieces, some mushrooms and bok choy from the broth and place it around like this. Put in your bowl some bean sprout and herbs as well. Then pour your broth and voila! Your little bowl of Thai flavor in your own little kitchen. Spices, sour and sweetness all combined in a delicate balance, dancing on your tongue with every slurp. And yes, you and your date are allowed, no, encouraged to slurp as loud as possible and just have fun enjoying your food. That's the best way to bond with someone. Don't you agree? If you do, then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more recipes to enjoy and bond with your family, friends, and dates. Now, all that's left is buon appetito, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm and dig in.